Okay, in this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's email address, like official work email address, from just starting with just their LinkedIn URL. This is really easy, but it's something that a lot of people struggle with and are actually searching for on YouTube. So I thought I'd make a YouTube video about it. So we start off in Clay, and we just got one column with the LinkedIn URL. In this case, it's just some random guy called John Smith. And what you want to do to start off with is this enrichment called enrich person. And it just uses their LinkedIn URL and basically pulls everything it can find from their LinkedIn. So I like to turn off all of these for now and just let it run first. So it's pulled his profile and then it will give us this, and then we can decide what we want to add in. So I want to add in his full name. I want to add in his title, probably his current organization that's like on his profile. And then the other main thing we need is just his current company's domain. So we can see that's the same company there. And then we can see the domain there. And if you really wanted to, what would be good is you can add in a formula in here and you can say, is org the same as company? And if it is, just output true. If it isn't, just output false. That can be quite good just to make sure that like we definitely have the domain for his current company and not, some people have like present company and they'll have 5 different companies there. So that can be good just to check that you are actually getting the domain for the right company. But once you've got the domain, all you need to do now is use the work email enrichment. And what you can do here is you can either do a waterfall enrichment, which will use loads of different data sources, but it does cost more credits, or you can just use like full enrich, find email, um, ICP, um, Hunter, like all of these, you could just get your own API key and you can just add your own API key in here. And that'll be much, much cheaper. But just for this example, I'm going to just show you with the waterfall enrichment. So you just add that in, and as you can see, that's the reason we needed the company domain. We got his LinkedIn URL, and we got his name, and we've also got the company name. So then I'll just run this. And if you've never used Clay before, this is what a waterfall enrichment looks like. So it's loads of different data vendors. And when you press play, it will try each data vendor. And if it can't find the email in one of them, it will try and find it in the other. So the chances of you finding it, like a working email, are a lot higher. So it's trying Lead Magic, then it's moving to Find Email. And as you can see, it's found an email already, so it doesn't run the rest of them. And then there you go, you've got the email address. I hope this tutorial has helped you. If you need any more help with like B2B growth, anything B2B growth related, whether that's paid ads, content, cold outreach, you can book a call with the link below, and we can have a quick chat. Other than that, thanks for watching the video.